Hi, my name is Fabiola Peña. I'm an environmental biologist and my research focuses on climate change and population genetics of Pegoscelid penguins. During past climate change events, penguins have responded, abandoning their breed colonies looking for optimal conditions. Due to the actual climate change, Adelaide penguins' population is decreasing, while chinstrap and gentoo are increasing or stable. Our purposes are to evaluate how the genetic diversity and demography of Pegoscelid penguins was affected in the past, during glaciations, and propose a scenario in front of the present changes.